Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and use cameos on Snapchat using your Android phone. Just keep on watching and let's get started. First, open your Snapchat. Then right here, click the chat icon. And select a conversation. And click the emoji icon. Now, this is the cameos. Click one of the cameos. Then pick one and tap continue. Then right here, you can retake a selfie or use this selfie. Tap use this selfie and tap OK. So right here are your cameos. You can tap them and send to your friend. That's how you create and use cameos. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!